Earth Day 2021. Restore our Earth. Our planet, Earth's supposed to be a magnificent place to live, full of wonders and breathtaking landscapes. Yet, our planet is suffering as it is fragile and is susceptible to damage contributed by our mankind. Illegal logging and deforestation activity occurs massively when forested area is cut and cleared to make way for agriculture or grazing. This has contributed a devastating, negative environmental impact on natural habitat. Rare or threatened plant species are destroyed. Clear-cutting also adversely affects wildlife by reducing habitat. The animals were forced to flee from their nature, causing the loss of biodiversity. Carbon dioxide emissions mainly come from industrial activities, such as burning of organic materials, coal, oil, gas, wood, and solid waste, which releases the stored carbon dioxide into the air, compounding the greenhouse gas effects. The world produces 381 million tons in plastic waste yearly. This is set to double by 2034. There is now 5.25 trillion macro and micro pieces of plastic in our ocean, and 46,000 pieces in every square mile of ocean, weighing up to 269,000 tons. Every day around 8 million pieces of plastic makes their way into our oceans. Do you know that there are more than 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine animals die from plastic pollution every year? 100% of baby sea turtles have plastic in their stomachs. The damage we are doing to marine life and our ecosystem is becoming irreparable. 50% of this is single-use plastic, and only 9% has ever been recycled. Global temperature has risen at an average rate of 0.13 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 0.08 degrees Celsius per decade since year 1880. The global warming causes the glaciers and ice sheets on both northern and southern hemisphere to melt. When the ice melts, the sea level rises. According to researchers, global sea level could reach 26 inches higher by year 2100. Based on past studies, it is estimated that 15.3 billion trees are chopped down every year. 46% of world's trees have been cleared over past 12,000 years. The world emits about 43 billion tons of CO2 of a year. Total carbon emission from all human activities, including agriculture and land use. Earth Day is an international celebration that takes place around the world on 22nd April to demonstrate the support for environmental conservation. This was first observed in 1970 and now involves celebrations organized intentionally by the Earth Day Network in more than 193 countries. Earth Day is a global movement that has started with the goal of raising consciousness in the environmental damage that caused by mankind, and at the same time, spreading awareness on the importance of protecting the Mother Nature to ensure a sustainable ecosystem. Earth Day is observed to remind each one of us that the Earth and its habitats provide us with life and subsistence. The campaign of Earth Day was started in 1970 to save nature. We are currently facing many environmental issues, such as air pollution, climate change, global warming, and etc. The issues will just be ongoing if we do not remind ourselves to change the way we treat our planet and also what we can do to save our planet. Our planet is in crisis, and every person on this earth must take a responsibility to preserve our Earth's natural resources. To kickstart this year Earth Day, the theme Restore Our Earth will begin by assisting our local communities, which highlighting on areas that are disproportionately impacted by environmental issues. The main focus is to embark on natural processes and emerging green technologies that can restore the world's ecosystems. No matter whether we celebrate Earth Day or not, it is a message about our responsibility that we all share towards the environment and our planet Earth. So, what can we do from our part? We can pick up litter, recycle the plastic bottle, and use only biodegradable materials. Start plant a tree. Trees help to fight the climate crisis since it can produce oxygen and purify the air. Besides, trees can also lower the air temperature and can help prevent flooding. Switch to reusable energy and switch to bicycle for commuting short distance when visiting to your desired destination at an approachable distance. We must restore our Earth because we live on it, not only because we care for the natural world. To help our jobs, livelihood, well-being, surviving and happiness, we all need a safe world. We should be the one that are responsible for our action and take care of our environment. By understanding our changing world, we can improve our lives and safeguard our future. Let us work together in restoring our Earth to promote a healthy and sustainable living environment. Protecting our planet starts with you. Our Earth, our home.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Consider subscribing this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon to receive update on more videos.